Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karishma and I make videos on beauty and food. Today is a very quick video which I am just showcasing as part of the Shoppers Stop Eye Stopper competition. This is a contest which features two themes, sugar and spice and a festive look. I have participated and I'm creating a sugar and spice look. One of the criteria for this competition is you need to use products available at Shoppers Stop. I didn't have too many eyeshadows from the brands available there, hence I have thought of creating this look with using my lipsticks as a base from Maybelline. So yeah, this is the look I'm creating and I hope you like it. It's a simple process and fingers crossed. Thank you all for watching.